a mini statistical research in mathematics 10. This research study is all about the performance in quarter 3 periodical test of grade 10 del Pilar in the subject Filipino and Wright National High School. The subject Filipino typically refers to the study of Filipino language, culture, and literature. It includes learning the Filipino language, which is the national language of the Philippines, as well as understanding the history, traditions, and values of the Filipino people. In Filipino courses, students may also explore Filipino literature including novels, poems, and essays written by Filipino authors. Additionally, it covers topics such as grammar, vocabulary, reading comprehension, writing skills, and oral communication. The subject aims to develop a deeper understanding and appreciation of the Filipino language and culture among students. Furthermore, the subject Filipino is important because it plays a crucial role in preserving and promoting the Filipino culture, heritage, and identity. Studying the Filipino language helps in fostering a sense of national pride and unity among Filipinos. It also strengthens communication skills and allows individuals to connect with their roots and understand the rich history of the Philippines.
Research study aims to analyze the performance of grade 10 del Pilar in the summative test in Filipino at Wright National High School during the school year 2024 and 2025. In this research study, we will also know if the students do their best and study hard to achieve a good scores. Significance of the study. This research aims to analyze the performance of students in handling summative tests in Filipino, identifying areas of difficulty and identifying areas of weaknesses. By doing this research, the researcher will also be able to identify the student who needs help and improvement about the subject. The researcher can also identify the effectiveness of teaching strategies leads to better study outcomes.
Research design. This is a quantitative research. Documentary analysis was used in conducting this mini statistical research.
Students of Red National High School during school year 2024 to 2025.
Its use in this study was obtained from the result in third quarter summative test in Filipino of grade 10 del Pilar. Student during school year 2024 to 2025.
A statistical statement, mean, median, percentile rank.
Number 5. Results and discussion. This table refers to the fourth quarter periodical exam of grade 10 del Pilar and Filipino subject. So the highest score is 40 and the lowest score is 11. The frequency is 4, 5, 9, 13, 2, and 3. Finding the fx. 4 times 38 is 152. 5 times 33 is 165. 9 times 28 is 252. 13 times 23 is 299. 2 times 18 is equal to 36. 3 times 13 is equal to 39. So the n is 34 and the fxm is the equal of xm is equal to 943. Given fxm is equal to 943, n is equal to 34. The formula is mean fxm over n. Solution: mean 943 divided by 34 is equal to mean 27.74. The median. This is the second table. Still, the highest score is 40 and the lowest score is still 11. So finding still the same. And finding the LV or the lower boundary is 36 minus 0.5 is 35.5. 31 minus 0.5 is 30.5. 26 minus 0.5 is 25.5. 21 minus 0.5 is 20.5. 16 minus 0.5 is equal to 15.5, and 11 minus 0.5 is 10.5. So finding the CF, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 13 is equal to 18. And 18 plus 9 is equal to 27. And 27 plus 5 is 30. And 30 plus 4 is 34. Given the lower boundary is equal to 25.5 and the CF is 18, the frequency is equal to 9, and 34, and I is 5. The formula median times
X.
the lower boundary plus 2n FB over FB times I. Solution: n over 2 is equal to 31.
34.
Divided by 2 is equal to 17.
The third table is the percentile rank. The frequency is 4, 5, 9, 13, 2, and 3. The LB is 36, 0.5, 35.5, and so on. To find the CFP, copy 3 at the bottom and next add 3 plus 2 equals 5 and 5 plus 3 equals 18, and so on. Solution: to substitute the formula, percentile equals copy 100 over 34, the quantity of 29 minus 25.5. Our F is 9 over the interval is 5 plus 18. 2.94, the quantity of 3.5 because 29 minus 25.5. So copy 9 also the interval and CFP. 2.94, the quantity of 6.3 plus 18 is equal to 24.3.
Conclusion and recommendation. According to the results, it has been confirmed that some of the grade 10 Del Pilar students performed poorly and mostly did not pass in the periodical test in Filipino during the third quarter. Mostly of the students receives failing scores, indicating a lower level of mastery. Furthermore, we conclude that some of the Del Pilar students was having a hard time in studying Filipino subject, which indicates that Filipino is not their priority of choice and mostly their boring subject among the other subjects in class. Therefore, it is recommended that Del Pilar students should acknowledge the Filipino subject as our own culture and heritage is based on the said subject, which focuses on our ancestors rather than emphasizing more on other subjects. What are the cause and effect of a low scores of the students? Having a low score can be caused by lack of preparation before the test. Feeling anxious or stressed during the test can impact performance on taking a test. Lack of focus or being distracted during the test can lead to mistakes and low scores. A low score can affect overall academic performance and grades of a student, and also by continuously receiving a failing scores or grade can demotivate a student to study hard and take the test. Low score can also indicate areas that require improvement, prompting students to have focus on enhancing their skills and knowledge.
Why does having passing score is important to a student? A passing score is important to a student because having passing score is often required to advance to the next level or grade in student education. Without it, a student may have to repeat the course or subject, delaying their academic progress. In overall, Passing score are critical markers of students' academic success and future potential.
How does having a high score motivates a student?
Having a high score motivates a student because it serves as their achievement of their performance and work. It motivates them to do better and achieve more.